Imagine the moment when you'll be able to fill the empty space in your photos with realistic and stunning details, all with just a single mouse click, when you can correct, edit, and transform your photos in mere seconds in ways you've never been able to before. When you can rejuvenate old photos, with a single click, you can erase, recolor, or add objects to your image. After this course, your imagination will be the only limit to editing your photos because I'll provide you with all the knowledge and techniques you'll need, and even more. Because I'm not just a graphic designer. I'm also an AI expert. I've been working with artificial intelligence and machine learning for years. This allows you to understand Photoshop AI from a perspective you've never had the chance to before. It doesn't matter if you're an absolute beginner or have been using Photoshop for many years. In this course, we'll take it step by step so you can master the generative fill. If you just want to edit your family or community photos, then learning the introductory section of the course will suffice. But if you're committed and aim to become a Photoshop AI prompt engineer in the future, you can also study the MasterClass section, where you'll get to know the artificial intelligence behind Generative Fill. Join us and be a part of this exciting journey. I look forward to seeing you in the course.